up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I don't know, you guys see that glare in the video. It's because of the window. You have to use natural lighting because the quality of this is annoying. It's better. I don't know, you guys can still see it right there. Sorry for the mix up, but I am in a rush. So I literally got 30 minutes to get ready, you guys. So I'm about to glue my wig on using my ghost bun. I ordered me some Got2B glue, but it hasn't got here yet. So I'm just going to apply a small amount around. So you want to make sure you do a thin layer, because when you do a thin layer, it helps to dry faster. But you want to make sure you put it before your hairline for sure. I'm gonna take my blow dryer because I want this to dry clear. So since I cannot let it dry completely all the way clear, but the first and second layer is definitely dried all the way, so I'm just gonna take my wig unit. If you guys do not know, this is my go-to wig. I love this wig. It's like perfect for every day. So I'm just gonna brush everything back like so, and then make sure everything's where I want it. Really halfway dry, it lays down so much easier. As you guys can see, it's actually melting in my skin. And this is a brown lace, by the way. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my Got2B spray. Sorry you guys for the glare. I cannot get it to go away. I don't know what to do to make it go away. It's just like the sun is peeping right through, and I'm using my ring light instead of natural lighting because daylight haven't came out all the way. But I'm gonna take my Got2B freeze spray. Don't tell me. Do not tell me. What? I cannot deal with this. Stressed. Okay, so I got it to work, you guys. But I'm gonna spray. Spray at the top. Simply because, you guys, I don't know if you guys are able to tell, but I can see that it wasn't completely laid down. And this needs to be laid to the gods. parts that's lifting up, you want to make sure you go back and dry them. Anyways, I'm going to continue drying. Just spread a little bit more, right? So now that I got my weave, y'all, sorry for this glare and all this extraness going on. I really tried today to get, I don't know, but just taking my hair tie and I'm gonna tie it around. Like I said, you guys, I am literally got 20 minutes to finish getting ready and go about my day. I'm supposed to be somewhere at 9 o'clock and it's literally time for me to go. So I'm just gonna do a quick makeup look. So I'm using my brow, I don't know what this is, Color Mates brow and applicator. So the reason why I'm using this, you guys, I normally use my pencil, but the fact that I'm literally gotta go, I have to use this. Go ahead and do my lashes. I did my brows. Okay, since I did not moisturize my face, I'm gonna go ahead and take my moisturizer and apply some on her head, because you want to make sure you keep your skin moisturized. Y'all, sorry for this freaking glare. It's so annoying. I don't know if this is better, you guys, if you guys are able to see. I am so sorry, but I'm just gonna take some powder matte foundation and apply some of that all over my face. I need to clean my brows up. Cleaning the brows. I'm so sorry, you guys. Clean them just a little bit, you guys, because you know I do not have the time. Take my inflammable concealer and just apply just a little bit. I'm bridging my nose right here. I'm just gonna blend it in. Sorry, you guys can't even tell. Y'all can see a little bit, but not really, because the light. But see, if I turn off the camera, the light, it's still gonna have that glare, and I'm gonna be orange instead of. Y'all, I'm gonna have to fix this. I don't even know if I'm gonna upload this video or what, because it's just all the way wrong. It's just all the way wrong. I don't know. I might just upload it and to show you guys a quick makeup look. Simple and quick, y'all, because it's just looking so tragic. And I have to literally go. I don't have time to wait. So taking my what is this, Radiant something to do like a highlight area, because this is my makeup no makeup look. The makeup is pretty much done. I'm taking my magic water and spray that on my face like so, and I'm going to let that dry and then just take I do not have the time to press it today. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this off because I think it might be dry, like so, and then I'll probably do a middle part. Is this my middle? Yeah. Taking my lullaby, applying it right there. All done. Makeup is complete. No makeup look. And yeah. Sorry for the glare, you guys. I don't even know if I'm gonna upload this video, my stylish pearls, because of all this. You guys can't even see. But you guys obviously saw what I looked like before and what I look like now. So yeah, you guys, that is it. Make sure you guys check me out on Instagram, follow me on all of my social medias, and yeah, you guys, I will be back. I probably will vlog the rest of this. Sorry for the glare. You guys are not even able to like see what I actually look like, but this is the finished look. Yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later, my stylish pearls. See you in the next video.